Leo, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is the new moon in Gemini reading for you guys, and thank you so much for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. Yeah, guys, I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, so many beautiful good vibes from me to you guys. And if you guys are wondering that which deck I'm using, so this is the Good Tarot deck I'm using right now. Okay, this is the deck. So let's start your reading, Leo. Let's see what is coming for the Leos for the new moon in Gemini, because the new moon is always about hopes, clarity, new hopes. Okay, so let's cut the deck for you. This is for the Leo people. Eight of Cups, Four of Cups, Queen of Wands, Knight of Wands, Two of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Queen of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Hierophant under the deck, which is Taurus. Some of you are dealing with Taurus, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and yeah, definitely earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. So everyone is here, Leo. This is your overall energy, Eight of Cups. I hope you can see the card. So this is the Eight of Cups. This is like you have invested everything, your love, your emotions, your body, like everything you have invested, but you cannot find that emotional contentment in that connection, in that person, in that situation, whatever that was. And now you are walking away from that situation. You don't want to invest anymore. You want to search for the Two of Cups, the remaining Two of Cups. Yeah, you can see this box, the treasure box. You think that the person is the treasure of your life, but now you're leaving this treasure back behind you. This is now behind you. You are walking away from this treasure. Okay. Four of Cups, Queen of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. These three cards are like very interesting. So Leo, I was telling you that I'm feeling that this is your person, or this must be you, but there is an age gap because the King and Queen of Wands are here. So I'm feeling that this is you. You want to passionate feelings. You want to have that passionate connection with them, and they are very I want to say very confident, attractive, very seductive. But then this Four of Cups. Okay, I'm feeling that Leo, there is a situation in the past, like you want to express your passion towards them, but they had rejected you in the past in some way, shape, or form. You have to know about it. You know what is that situation, but they had rejected you in the past, and they didn't give value to your like offer towards your passion or whatever you were giving to them. Whatever you were giving to them, they were not paying attention towards it. I'm feeling like this. Yeah, there is definitely age gap, and I'm feeling that the person is very clear. Actually, the person is very logical, practical. With this Nine of Pentacles energy, definitely very kind, very stable. Yeah, I'm feeling that they want this kind of energy from you because this is very tangible, very long-term partnership offer, and you were just giving them passion or feelings, something like this. But they want also like that, like paperwork. Yeah, they want that marriage contract. Yeah, with you. Okay, with the Two of Swords, Two of Pentacles, and the Page of Cups energy, right now you are trying to put your time, effort, and energy to get yourself stable, and you are not making a decision with the Two of Swords which is necessary for your growth. I'm feeling that you are uh, putting this decision on hold, and yeah, because you want to think about it a little bit more. After that you will make the decision, and this is some kind of new offer with the Page of Cups. Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio are coming for you, like they want to communicate with you. If this is the old person, they also want to communicate with you, but I'm feeling that this is new. With this Ace of Pentacles, definitely very strong offer for you, very tangible offer for you is coming from the universe, so pay attention towards it. So yeah, this is a very strong, stable offer is coming for you. You know what, Ace and 9 equals to 10 of Pentacles. You are in your receiving mode, and universe is giving you that, and beautiful 10 of Pentacles are happening for you, because you are now very clear that what you wanna do in your life, what is next. You are very clear. So you also want now stability, you also want marriage. So I'm feeling that both of you are now on the same page. What is this Eight of Cups for the Leo, please? Magician, yeah, manifestation. Wow, 10 of Cups, beautiful. Page of Swords, okay. Okay, so Leo, I'm feeling that you want to manifest these 10 of Cups for you, because now you realized, I'm feeling like this, that you can't live with that without that person, because you are watching them. Yeah, you're watching them. I'm feeling that they are not in contact with you, that's why you are watching them, and you are want to know about them something, like what are they doing right now, you want to know, but you want to manifest them in your life. That's why you are watching them, and you want to have that 10 of Cups with them. And this is you are searching for with the Eight of Cups. You were searching for those remaining Two of Cups, and now here they are. Wow, so definitely you have manifested this blessing for you on your own. What is this Queen of Wands? Okay, Ace of Cups, wow. And okay, I'm gonna take it. Ace of Cups, Four of Swords, High Priestess, and the Eight of Swords. So definitely new opportunity in love. I'm feeling that you were healing from that past experience with the Four of Swords, and this is the new opportunity given from the universe. We have two aces here, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. So you know that this will happen to you. You are like having faith in the universe with this High Priestess energy, Leo. Some of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, and you are like, great. With the Eight of Swords energy, don't feel stuck, don't feel that this can't happen. Everything will happen at the right time. So this is the time. I'm feeling that the time has come for you. Two of Pentacles for the Leo, right in the heart of the spread. Six of Pentacles, yeah. Seven of Swords, King of Swords, okay. Okay, Leos, I'm feeling that now things will be balanced for you, because you are now balanced. You are now balanced. You are now in receiving energy, and you are very clear about your dreams, goals, achievements, whatever you want to achieve in your life. You are very clear right now, and when you are clear, universe will provide you that. Yeah, and if there is any kind of person who will backstab you, who will manipulate you, who will playing games with you, and who will want to create drama within the situation, you will cut them out with this King of Swords energy. Yeah, definitely you will cut them out. You want balance, you don't want this bullshit. Okay, which is great. So why is this Ace of Pentacles? I want to know. Yeah, moving forward, smoothly, very steadily. Three of Cups. Wow. King of Pentacles. Yeah, this is that earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus and Virgo. So you are moving forward to get yourself stable and you to want that union with that earth sign. I'm feeling that this is Capricorn, Taurus and Virgo. So definitely things are coming to balance, and you will have that communication with the person, because we have King and Queen of Swords. So everything will be clear out between you and them, and then things will be balanced between you and them. So this is I have for you, Leo. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye Leo.